The JNC770R delivers the ultimate combination of power and convenience. Its Clore PROFORMER battery is specifically designed for jump starting, providing extreme starting power, long cranking duration, many jumps per charge, and a long unit life. It delivers 1700 peak amps and 425 cranking amps, enough to start everything this side of medium-duty trucks. Beyond its raw power, it also makes jump starting easier with many features, including 68-inch long cables means that you can reach the starting points of most vehicles with the unit on the ground. An angled jaw design provides easier access to hard-to-reach battery posts. A master on-off switch means the clamps are dead when you are transporting or storing the unit. A 3-amp charger means quick recharging, and since it's built in, it can never get lost. A digital display provides a detailed view of its state of charge. Dual USB outlets power small electronic devices. A rubberized base means you won't scratch the disabled vehicle or any of its components. It even comes with a coupon that enables you to get a one-time fixed-fee repair after the warranty period has expired. Powerful, convenient, long-lasting, that's Jump and Carry.